Welcome to General Biology. In today's video, I'm going to go over the inputs and outputs of photosynthesis. Basically, we have carbon dioxide and water entering a leaf, light coming in through the surface, and sugar being produced and oxygen gas being produced. So sunlight's going to come in through the surface, but how does carbon dioxide and water enter the leaf, and how does oxygen and glucose leave? So in the leaf, you have an outer layer of waterproofing called a cuticle. And then directly underneath that outer layer, there's a layer called the epidermis. This epidermis is basically there to block UV rays from causing harm to the other cells inside the leaf because they're being exposed to UV so much. The top layer in the leaf is pretty much there for photosynthesis purposes. We call that the palisade layer. And then underneath that, there's a layer called the spongy layer for gas exchange. And then there's holes in the bottom side of the leaf. The holes in the bottom side of the leaf are called stomata, and they look like this. And that is where carbon dioxide enters the leaf and oxygen leaves the leaf. So we have carbon dioxide entering from the atmosphere through the stomata, coming up to the palisade layer to do photosynthesis. And then the oxygen being produced up here is leaving the leaf through the stomata. Water enters the leaf through xylem, which are little water tubes that are entering the leaf. And then there's little other tubes called phloem, which once the sugar is made, the sugar is then taken from the leaf back into the tree through these phloem tubes. So light travels directly through the cuticle and epidermis into the leaf. Water enters through the vein. Sugar leaves through the vein. Carbon dioxide enters through the bottom side of the leaf. And oxygen leaves through the bottom side of the leaf.